Acemicromatic group is India's largest machine tool group with a presence across India and in the globe. The group comprises ACE Designers, which manufactures turning centers, ACE Manufacturing Systems, which makes machining centers, Micromatic Grinding Technologies, which are into CNC grinding, Acemicromatic Intelligence Technologies, which is a company purely dedicated for Industry 4.0 and IoT. We have also forayed into manufacture of SPMs by acquiring a company called Taurus, and we have made a new venture, a new company called Sinar Metal Cutting, which is our foray into laser cutting. We have recently forayed into 3D metal printing by starting a company called as AMTEX. We have a dominant market share in all the markets, in all the products that we deal with. We are into turning centers, right from slant bed turning centers going all the way up to vertical turning centers. Very, very small size of 50 mm going up to a meter and more. We've got CNC milling machines both in vertical and horizontal mode. We have got high-speed drill tap centers. In grinding, we make hydraulic grinders, centerless grinders, cylindrical, internal grinders. You name it, we have the complete range. In addition, as far as SPMs are concerned, you name it, we can make the SPM for you.
Within a 3 months of span, they provided us a precise solution with tooled up machines to install at our end. With the best service they have given to achieve that component, now we are making more than 10,000 contours in a day. I wish you all the best for their all future assignments, and I hope we'll continue for this for another 20-30 years or maybe more than that.
Around 300 machines, basically more than 300 machines we are using at our both plants, and say for our upcoming expansion we are planning at our Bhiwadi, and there basically we are planning to install some engine wall expansion, and in that we are planning to have ACE machines in our all lines. Most probably 20-25 machines we may purchase in near future.
We bought our first machine from Acemicromatic. They are the very quick turnkey solution provider. Their lead time is very quick. Their machines are very maintenance friendly comparatively to the other divisions in the market within the same portfolio. When we talk about machining, one thing is they present a USP, that is they provide box guideways machines in a very cost effective manner, which is their Super Jobber, Jobber Excel kind of portfolio.
AMTEX 2022, like all other AMTEX in the past, has been a great platform for us to showcase our products, to showcase the new technologies, and I would say it is the most preferred machine tool exhibition up in North, and we make it a point to always participate in this exhibition because of the very rich dividends that we get from this platform.